Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video, we're going to subtract decimals. So let's look at this first problem. We have 0.56, and from that, we are taking away 0.45. Okay, so I'm going to start like I did in the addition video by lining up the decimal place. Since these have the same number of places after the decimal point, I don't have to add any zeros. I can just go through and do straight subtraction. So I'm going to do 6 minus 5, which is 1. 5 minus 4, which is 1. Keep the decimal point here. 0 minus 0 is 0. And we are done with this particular problem. So that's the solution to that one. Next one, we have 0.99 minus 0.001. Okay, so start by lining up with the decimal point. So 0.99 minus 0.001. Add a 0 here, so we have the same number of places after the decimal point. Okay, so we can't do 0 minus 1 right away. We have to borrow from the 9, so we're going to write an 8 here, put a 1 here. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 8 minus 0 is 8. 9 minus 0 is 9. Keep the decimal point here, 0 minus 0 is 0, and we are done with our second one. Okay, third one, we have 0.87 minus 0.097. So again, you'll see why this is important to line up with the decimal point here. So if I didn't do that and I tried to subtract 0.87 minus, let's say, 0.97, I get negative 0.1. I would have messed myself up. Okay, so for this one, I need 3 places past the decimal point. So I'm going to add a 0 here. I'm going to start off by borrowing from the 7. I'll write a 6, make this 10 minus 7, which is 3. Can't do 6 minus 9. I'm going to have to borrow from the 8. So now I do 16 minus 9. That's going to give me 7. 7 minus 0 is 7. And 0 minus 0 is 0. So we're done with this particular problem, 0.773 for our solution to that one. I'm going to have to erase a little bit to make some room. So let's go do that. Erase a few of these. Okay, go back to here. So we have 0.22 minus 0.44. What we'll notice here is that 0.44 is greater than 0.22. Another way I can think of about this is 0.22 plus a negative 0.44. And when we add numbers that have the opposite sign, we take the number that's further away from 0 on the number line, in this case, negative 0.44. We subtract the one that's closer to 0 on the number line, in this case, 0.22. We find out whatever that number is, and then we keep the sign of the number that is further away from 0 on the number line. So we're going to make the sign of our result negative. Okay, so I'm going to do 0.44 minus 0.22. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 2 is also 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. But we're going to make this negative 0.22 for our solution to this problem. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, and you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. Also check out my Teacher Pay Teacher store if you're interested in supporting the channel in that way. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.